Hello guys and welcome to my new Let's Play. Finally, another Ratchet & Clank game that I can actually play without having major problems. I mean, having to wait for other people. But don't worry, I'm very hopeful that we'll finish All for One really soon. But in the meantime, I started this. I just got it. Ratchet & Clank Q-Force. This game needs to install data. Oh great. Probably I'll have to cut it. Okay, so trophies are now installing. Oh. I've been recording for what, about 5 minutes and I still didn't 6 minutes and I still didn't play. Of course that I'll cut this off and whatnot, but why the long time, man? So many loading screens. Okay, oh. Looking at this screen, it reminds me of Ratchet & Clank 3. Oh, memories. Them fields, bro. Okay, let's go first to the options, video. Okay, this should be good. Audio. Okay, game options. Subtitles, of course I want them on. Okay, this. Apply options with the square. Wait, I didn't apply the options in the other two. Okay. Profile, what's this? Hero profile, cross save, skill points, unlockable trophies, yeah, extras, something, concept art. Okay, let's start the campaign then. Local, I want to play local. Which characters? I can be these 3 characters. Let's pick Ratchet then. Launch game. What? The Starship Phoenix. Oh my god, 2. Oh. Damn, them fields, bro. Them fields.
Captain's log. Stardate, let's call it Wednesday. Released from public service, former President Quark decided to retake the mantle of righteousness, to serve as the people's perennial protector, to defend the galaxy with the vigor of a true hero. And the galaxy? Well, the galaxy has never been so boring.
This is just sad. He lost the election like 3 months ago. Don't you think it's time for an intervention?
I believe Captain Quark is having a difficult time adjusting to life in the private sector.
Computer, find me something to shoot!
Sorry, dude, we got none on the radar. Have an awesome day, though.
Pardon me, Captain. It appears there are rogue cleaner bots in the docking bay. Would you like to...
Oh, look who's here.
Looks like you've got a bug problem.
Okay.
Is it awesome in here? Or is it just
Yay. What now?
Hey, Captain, we're receiving an encrypted transmission. Please report to the bridge pronto.
Okay. So let's return there.
Captain. Are you ready for the longest day of your pathetic life.
A shadowy supervillain. This is perfect. What do you think he wants? Money? No. Power. No. Money and power. Oh, who cares what he wants? We finally get to shoot something.
Trying to execute, so we can just shift attention back this way for death. Oh, for crying out loud! As I was saying, I have deactivated 3 planetary defense centers in this sector, plunging each location into total chaos. Oh, splendid! Grungarian marauders have already begun attacking. I wonder who could have called them.
Was it me?
It was me, you dolt! Only you and your team are permitted to each location. If I even smell a single Polaris defense trooper, I will deactivate every station in the galaxy.
Who are you?
Someone who doesn't like Captain Quark very much. Someone he failed.
You know what this calls for?
Don't say it.
I'll tell you what this calls for.
He's gonna say it.
The Q-Force!
He said it.
Hail!
Okay, let's see. Suppose you need to choose a planet now. Oh, we get to choose the first. Oh no, we don't actually have those other 2. Okay, let's go to the Gorgon refinery. Okay. Okay. I barely know anything about this game. I only played the beta and it was like months ago. So yeah, I don't really remember everything. Yeah, I think this is the level of the beta.
Q-Force base identified. Your Q-Force base is powered by these generators. If they are destroyed, Q-Force will lose control of the planet.
Okay. Can be done. Oh.
They took out one of our generators.
Pyro turrets required to defend generators.
Seems pretty straightforward. Okay.
Weapon pods have been deployed.
Oh, suppose that has a weapon inside.
The combustor is now available.
We actually need to use the R1 to fire. I would prefer the circle. Oh well.
Follow power cables to reach battlefield key nodes.
Okay.
Activate all key nodes to unlock the Planetary Defense Center. Reactivate Planetary Defense Center to drive back Brungarian marauders. Enemy dropship now on approach. Warning, enemies are approaching the base.
Okay, so I need to follow these.
This one's mine.
Wait a second, I can use this. Level up this weapon. Should be nice.
Got him. I found ammo! These power cables run to the keynotes.
Wait, oh there, that's ammo. I don't know why I thought there was a gold bolt, but I don't even know if there are gold bolts in this game. You need this cryo shot.
You have unlocked the cryo shot. Enemy dropship now on approach. Incoming enemies on the right lane.
He's down.
Okay.
This
Oh shit.
keynote is heavily
These are
guarded.
turrets.
Recommend unlocking
Some
more
sort.
weapon pods before attacking.
Oh shit, no more ammo.
Oh boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo.
Enemy reinforcements detected at the east keynote.
Okay. Ammo would be nice.
Got him.
Oh. I did it at least.
The Pyroblaster is now available. Enemy dropship now on approach.
Don't you tell me this is going to appear always.
Incoming enemies on the left lane.
Where are those enemies?
The Q-Force base is under attack.
Q-Force base is under attack, but where's my base?
See ya.
Okay, I need to go to my base.
Generator destroyed. The Q-Force base is under attack.
We got ammo here. 15 bad guys down, and I'm still standing.
Generator destroyed.
I mean, this is the tutorial level, and this is already happening. Great. Oh, there's a guy here.
The Q4 base is secure. 3 generators operational.
I need to know. I need to start playing this better, or else I'll screw
Let's
myself.
follow this power cable.
Where's the thing for the barrier? That.
I'm out!
Okay, there's ammo here. Okay. Okay, I was choosing the... Oh, that's right, I have more than one weapon.
The Planetary Defense Center is now accessible.
We got him on the run now. Let's take back the defense center.
Oh, Tetramite. I think it's Tetramite. This is the third game that these guys appeared.
Enemy down.
Okay.
Whew, that was close. Sweet. Maybe it's time to get some new defenses. Nice. More ammo.
Oh, combustor leveled up. Okay, this one has 3.
You have unlocked the Doppelbanger.
Double banger.
Enemy dropship now on approach.
Oh boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo.
That's right, I can fight. I didn't even remember I could.
More enemies are
Oh
headed to
shit,
the
more
base.
enemies added to the base. Head up.
New Grungarian forces identified. The Q-Force base is under attack.
Oh, come on, I already have guys on my base. I remember that in a demo I could, like... Oh wait, my base is here. That was quick.
Generator destroyed.
Got him.
Okay, I need to...
The Q4 space is secure. 2 generators operational.
Okay, that was pretty stupid. Man, grab it. Shit. Ratchet, where are you? If I die, what happens? Oh wait, I want to use the combustor.
New Grungarian forces identified.
Oh man, I'm gonna die. Oh, what?
Cadet down.
Yeah. Where am I? Okay, I was there.
Got it.
Okay. Oh shit.
Is that all you got?
Oh, what? I really hate when these sort of things happen.
Enemy down.
Grungarian generators are still active.
He's like the defender of the base. Some shit. Oh man, I'm out of ammunition.
That was a close one.
Grungarian forces defeated. Please restore power to Planetary Defense Center.
No, what do I have to do?
Power has been restored to the Planetary Defense Center. Return to base to initiate reboot
okay.
sequence.
Seems straightforward. Here's my base.
Reboot sequence initiated.
You know what? I need.
Warning, major assault in progress. Enemy dropship now on approach.
Oh, my mom's calling. Damn it. I hang up. I don't know, maybe she'll understand that I'm recording.
Reboot sequence is 25% complete.
Pyro turret acquired.
The Q-Force base is under attack.
Scratch my nose.
Reboot sequence is 75% complete.
Where's ammo? Oh, there's some ammo.
Bad guys down, and I'm still standing.
Reboot sequence is 90% complete.
Nice. More ammo.
Oh shit! I noticed these guys here. At least I can repair them, which is nice. The bolts go away so fast.
He's down.
Oh shit. One of these. Oh wait, there's something attacking. I'm your enemy, not my. I don't even know what that
Reboot sequence complete. The Planetary Defense Center is now fully operational.
Captain Quark, I see you've reassembled your pathetic Q-Force. It's amazing that anyone would ever align themselves with you after all your treachery.
Now wait a minute. Quark may be a little rough around the edges, but at least he's not hiding behind a mask. Well, I guess he is hiding behind a mask, but he's not afraid of the universe knowing who he is.
Oh, LOL. I'm not afraid.
Hold on, I know this guy.
Yeah, I had the impression it was this guy. Don't know why. I was going to say it after this cutscene.
Stuart Sergo? He used to be captain of the Captain Quark Cadet Club. You wrote some really disturbing fan fiction.
I was in a different place back then. All I wanted to do was be just like you. Then I watched as you were involved in scandal after scandal. And every time the galaxy just forgave you! You're nothing but one big epic fail! And this time, you're going to pay. Colon, close parentheses. I'm out.
The planet is now secure.
I really was thinking about that guy. I don't know why. I didn't even know he was going to say who he was. But for the body, I remember that guy. And then he pulls the mask and I said, wow, it really looks like him. Ah. Oh well. Yeah, okay. Let's continue.